Today, I'm going to take you on a tour on one of my newest listings that you see right behind me. This is a detached side split featuring over 1800 square feet of total living space, 3 bedrooms, 1.5 washroom, located on well over 5,000 square feet lot. And about the neighborhood, we are in the West Galt neighborhood. So if you are in search of a really good neighborhood anywhere on the southern end of Cambridge, Ontario, West Galt has to be on the top of your list. Let me just turn around. So what you see right behind me, that's the Blair Road Public School, which is a public elementary school. So you will be, if you're a parent of a child going to elementary school, this will be a dream come true. You could literally just walk your kids to the school. But at the same time, the house itself is actually located on a quiet coach. So you don't actually have any through traffic that's going through the street. So it's only going to be local traffic, perfect for young families, giving ample privacy and safety for the kids as well. But that's a little bit about this neighborhood. I just can't wait to show you guys the inside of this beautiful home where my client has done a lot of upgrades for the past couple of years that they've lived in this home. So stay tuned, let's get right into it. So right as I walk towards the house, one thing I wanted to point out is a deeper lot. You're looking at a deep driveway where you can easily park 4 cars. And then of course you have 1 additional parking in the garage. In total, you have 5 car parking in this home. It is listed at $699. Obviously, we are holding an offer, so it's not going to go at that price. It's going to be higher than that. But in case you want to drop by and take a look at it, we are doing an open house this Saturday and Sunday, June the 1st and 2nd, between 2 and 4. So feel free to come out, take a look at this home in person, and say hi to me. But for now, just sit back, relax, and enjoy the tour of this beautiful home. Well, I hope you did enjoy the tour of this beautiful home. And in case you want to dive into more details about this particular listing, I'll be sure to include the link below in the description about the MLS listing so you can check it out yourself. Once again, we are doing an open house this Saturday and Sunday, June the 1st and 2nd, between 2 and 4 p.m. So you're more than welcome. I'll be present here, and you're more than welcome to say hi, check out this particular listing, and ask me any questions you may have. We are holding an offer on the following Tuesday, June the 4th, for this particular home. So in case you have further interest, be sure to reach out. All the info you will find right below in the description. And nonetheless, if you did like this video and got some value out of it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and tap on that bell for notifications so you are the first to learn about the current market in and around Kitchener, Ontario. Once again, whether you're thinking of moving in 9 days or 9 months, be sure to reach out. All the info right below in the description. I'll be more than happy to help you and your family make a smooth move in and around Kitchener. Until next time, well, I do hope to see you around town.